Hey guys, welcome to my channel POD with Kawa, where you will learn how to monetize your skills and earn passively. And in today's video, we will learn how to select the best product on Zazzle as a beginner. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Are you a beginner looking to start your Zazzle journey? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start with our first niche, that is wedding. This niche is very beginner-friendly and includes a large number of products that sell. For example, wedding invitation card, plates, design, etc., and we will go through more of them in the video. Let's check some of the products that you can make designs for under this niche. As you can see, there are many products in Zazzle for weddings, such as invitation cards, bags, thank you cards, and many more. Let me show you some of my favorite ones. Here is a save the date card, or you can call it an invitation card, and these are one of the best sellers as you can't have an occasion without inviting others, so these will always sell. The next one is the mounting board. As you know, a wedding mounting board is very important as a bride and groom's name will be written on it, so it is likely to sell. The next one is a sign or signboard. It could be for anything, like for indicating table numbers or showing direction or showing food names, also the one that you are seeing right now. Then there's these round stickers that can be used as a thank you sticker or for some other things. Stickers are always the best-selling products on almost every website, so you can definitely go for it. For our next best-selling product under wedding niche are posters. This seller is using a poster to create a seating chart for weddings. However, you can use this product under any niche and for making anything you like. For example, you can create decorative posters for the office or home. Well, that's it for this niche. Let's take a look at our next niche idea and its best-selling products. So our next best-selling niche is birthday party. No matter what, there will always be birthday parties, and that's what makes this an evergreen niche. Now let's take a look at its best sellers. Here you can see that people are making birthday designs for a wide range of products. Let's take a look at the best-selling ones. The first one is birthday t-shirt and shirts. A birthday t-shirt is a special garment designed to celebrate someone's birthday in style. These shirts often feature creative and colorful designs, including age numbers, birthday messages, or personalized graphics. You can use many different themes for your design, like somebody may like dinosaurs and would like to wear dinosaur-themed shirts. Our next product is birthday hats. You can create designs for this product just like birthday shirts, on any theme or just with birthday elements. The good thing about this product is that it will be sold in bulk as every guest needs a party hat, so you can make a lot of money with this product. Our next product is birthday banner. Birthday banners have become pretty common in birthday parties, so you can create designs and make sales with this product. And they are also theme-based, just like the last two products. After that, we have birthday paper cups. They are also bought in bulk just like party hats, so you can make a big amount of money with this. Moreover, it has very less competition comparatively with only 8,000 results. So chances of your design selling will increase. Then comes our next product, birthday plates or paper plates. And again, it's a bulk purchase product, so you can definitely go for this one as well. From here we will go through the products that are not niche-based and are top sellers no matter what their niche is. So, you should definitely try making designs for these products. First up, we have buttons. You can create any design, whether it's graphics or customizable name tags or anything you can think of. Going further, we have keychains, which have a high selling potential. Also, it has different types as well. Then we have mugs, and these are literally one of the best-selling products even on other print-on-demand websites, so I highly recommend you to make designs for this one. Next up, we have tote bags or budget tote. These are really popular these days and thus have a pretty good chance of selling. Then we have one of the best sellers, that is, Phone cases. Everyone wants their phone case according to their own style, and Zazzle offers customization, thus making it one of the best products to make designs for. Also, if you want to know how to make fully customizable designs on Zazzle, don't forget to check out my video on this topic. I'll give the link in the description. Next we have mousepad. It is a low competition product with a lot of potential, so it's recommended to make designs for this one. Now we have Bluetooth speakers. Many people want to customize their speakers and Zazzle fulfills this thing, thus having an upper hand on other print-on-demand websites. Then we have my personal favorite, desk mats. With low competition and high selling potential, this product allows you to make designs based on any theme or niche, thus making it one of the best products on Zazzle. Our next niche is business, and the products under this niche are those which have businesses as their target customers. Now let's take a look at them. First, we have inking stamps. These are used by businesses to print their business cards, and you have to design templates for them to print. Then we have Windows posters or Windows cling for shops. You can create many designs for this one as they could be used for many purposes. Now it's time for the bonus products part 2. Let's take a look at them. First we have spiral notebooks, which are one of the best-selling products under the stationery category. Next we have post-it notes, or you can call it sticky notes. These also come under the stationery category and are also a great selling product. Next we have iPad covers, and this is a really great product for a beginner as it has both demand and selling potential, so you should definitely try making designs for this one. Alright, now we have laptop sleeves. This one has very high selling potential as almost everybody has laptops and they might want laptop sleeves. Also, it is beginner friendly as you don't need much experience to create designs for this product. Next we have Poof. It's a great product as you only need minimal assets to create designs for this one. And if you are looking for assets or elements for your design, then you can visit Creative Fabrica and Creative Market, as these two websites have millions of assets and elements and even complete designs to upload. I'll give you the link in the description. Well, these were all the products for this video. I'll bring more best-selling products in the future. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope his video was helpful. Till next time, stay awesome and stay creative.